Your Tuesday pick, and oil prices keep on rolling on this edition of Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily, starting right now. Good morning, traders. Here's your Arbitrage State of the Bands Daily for Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. I'm Joshua Stark. The global benchmark for crude oil rose above $70 a barrel on Monday for the first time in over 3 months, with jitters rising over the escalating military tensions between Iran and the United States. The Brent contract for oil touched a high of $70.74 a barrel, the highest since mid-September, when it briefly spiked over an attack on Saudi crude processing facilities. Stock markets were down as well amid fears of how Iran could fulfill a vow of harsh retaliation. Up next, more and your pick of the day. Stick around.
Invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, all commission-free, right from your phone or desktop. Access professional research reports, trade on margin, and make bigger instant deposits with Robinhood Gold, all starting at $5 a month. It only takes a few minutes to take control of your financial future. Sign up now to start investing with Robinhood at arbitragetrade.com/Robinhood.
After a big year for its plant-based burger, Impossible Foods has something new on its plate. The California-based company unveiled Impossible Pork and Impossible Sausage on Monday evening at the CES Gadget Show in Las Vegas. It's Impossible Foods' first foray beyond fake beef. The Impossible Burger, which went on sale in 2016, has been a key player in the growing category of vegan meats. Like the burger, Impossible Foods' pork and sausage are made from soy but mimic the taste and texture of ground meat. Your Tuesday pick provides marketing services by selling vouchers through online local marketplaces. It offers mobile and online marketplaces where people discover and save on amazing things to do, see, eat, and buy. Groupon, symbol GRPN, starts the day at $2.31 a share. Start your day with Arbitrage Trade's State of the Bands Daily, found where you find your fine podcasts.
Powers Not Included, the comic book podcast. A podcast about comics, games, toys, and everything geek. They talk about Deadpool, Deathstroke, Deathlock, The Night of the Living Dead, and The Walking Dead. Why the fixation on dead stuff? Find out when you subscribe to Powers Not Included on YouTube, iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, and Podbean.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.